Thank you, Senator Escudero.
All right, a quick yes or no from our candidates before we proceed with the debate. Candidates, are you ready? The question is, do you have future plans to run for President of the Philippines? Do you have future plans to run for President of the Philippines?
Senator Escudero is hesitating. Senator Marcos, what is your question?
No.
I would refuse to answer because
Yes or no?
Sorry, no. Just yes or no. Everybody's saying no, but Senator Trillanes is saying it needs to be qualified.
It needs to be qualified because it's not that simple to answer.
You mean plans today?
But we can't qualify
right.
that, sorry, sir, because we would have to
Yeah.
have qualified all the other yes
And then we
or
need
no
another-
questions. Unfortunately, sir. So, would you like to answer, Senator Sonny?
I have no answer.
No answer.
All right, but everybody
so it's
else-
just Senator Alan Peter Cayetano. Did you change your mind?
No. I was holding up this because you're asking, do you have any plans? Kung ngayon, wala. But I don't want to put that and then in the future or whatever.
Okay.
You're asking,
All
walang
right.
plano sa ngayon.
Anyway, well, thank you, candidates. Well, let's